Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler.
Welcome to Krka National Park, one of Croatia's most breathtaking natural wonders. This park is home to the 73-kilometer long Krka River and its famous 7 waterfalls.
I took a bus for €10 at 9:30 a.m. from Zadar to come to Krka National Park, and the nearest town that you can come is Skradin. From there it is hardly 1 kilometer walk into the entrance of Krka National Park. The entry to the park is €7 per person. As you can see, I'm all alone in the national park. There's no one at all and all the shops, everything is closed. And in the behind you can see is the waterfall. This is Skradinski Buk Waterfall, which is the longest and most commonly visited waterfall on the Krka River, and it is one of Croatia's best known natural values. The total height of the waterfall is 45.7 meters.
This park is not just waterfalls, it's home to 10 fish found nowhere else on earth and over 200 bird species soaring above its crystal rivers. The park's star Skradinski Buk Waterfall is 800-meter long cascade, one of the most spectacular waterfalls in Europe. Everyone knows Plitvice, but Krka is its less crowded twin with easier trails, wooden boardwalks and waterfalls you will never forget. Did you know Krka National Park has 7 epic waterfalls, a monastery on an island, and even one of the world's first hydroelectric plants built just 2 days after Tesla's at Niagara Falls? Even though the park is famous now, parts of the park are still so wild that some waterfalls are only accessible by boat.
If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.